Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to discuss how to create tables for our product details and our bills of our suppliers relevant to this question series. So we are going to create this in ER diagrams using our MySQL Workbench software. So our question set number 13, which is under the same series. The store owner says that the details of all the products sold in the store need to be stored in the computer software. To do this, create a table called product to store product details. Follow the instructions below to create the table. So the table name product ID is integer, product code is varchar45, product name is varchar45. Question number 2. The owner of the shop says that he wants to enter the information of all the bills paid by the suppliers into the computer software. To do this, create a table named GRN. Follow the instructions given when creating. So table name GRN, the table column name GRN underscore ID. So it will be a primary key and auto increment. It will be integer data type. Then we'll have our date, which is on the date data type. Then our quantity which will be an integer, unit price which will be double, and our total amount which will also be double. So question number 3, this software should be able to retrieve the number of items received from suppliers and the number of items provided by the supplier should not change when selling the product. Your team suggests creating a separate stock table for this issue. Follow the instructions below to create a stock table. So here our table name will be stock. We'll have the primary key on auto increment of the data type integer as stock underscore ID, then a double data type for our quantity and a double data type column for our selling price. So basically this is what we have to create within our ER diagram for our question, which we will be doing in our MySQL Workbench software right now. As you can see, we have our previous diagrams here, our tables here in our ER diagram which we have created in our previous videos, and we are creating it under the same database. So now we have to create a product table. So we have given the name product, and we are going to give it the product underscore ID, and it will be a primary key on auto increment. So basically what we'll be having here is our product code, and it will be a varchar45, and then we'll be having our product name. So yes, basically this is it for our product table. Next I'm going to create a GRN table. So let's create a GRN table. So the name will be GRN, table name GRN underscore ID, and it will be a primary key on auto increment. So here we'll be having our date, we'll be having our date time as date as our data type. Okay, so that is that, and then our quantity which will be of the integer data type. So we have to change this to integer. And next we are going to create our unit price. So we have unit underscore price, that will be a double. So we have to change this to double here. Next we have to create our total amount. So this will be also a double. So I'm going to say this is double here, and basically this is it for our GRN table. And our final table which we have to create for this video is our stock table. So I'm going to say this as stock underscore ID, integer quantity, then going to name this as double, then our selling price as double. So this is it on the tables which we have to create for this video. Now I'm going to synchronize our database model. So I'm going to synchronize everything which is in this ER diagram. So click on next, select our database and execute the code. So this has been executed without any errors. So now I'm going to a local instance and I'm going to refresh this just to see the tables which we have created. So here we have a stock table, here we have GRN and a product table. So here when we were making a stock table, I think we made a small typing error, so I have to change that again. So save it as price, and I'm going to synchronize this model again. So if you go to a local instance and refresh it again and we check our stock table, error has been now rectified. And yes, so basically this is it for this video on how to create a table for our product details and our supplier bills for our relevant question using ER diagrams on our MySQL Workbench software. Thank you for watching.